Hello everybody, today we're going to clean or maintain the air cleaner of Toyota 9th generation. Clean air cleaner is very important so that cleaner air will get into your engine and prevent damage. Okay, so here's the air cleaner box. Now be sure that the car is off before you service the air cleaner. There are two latches here, this one and this one. All you have to do is to push this one down. There you go. And the other one too. Push. There you go. And then you can then lift this one like that. Not so much. And you can take the air cleaner away. There you go. Right. So this is the air cleaner. Mine is a K&N air cleaner. This is washable. It means that I don't have to buy a new one. This costs 4,000 pesos and it's around more or less $100 in US dollars. So what we're gonna do here is that I will just wash this one with water and soap, and then I'm gonna dry it out, and then this will be ready to be used again. For you, you can buy a new air filter. You can buy one from the Toyota dealerships or any automotive stores. These are pretty cheap. So the cheapest one that I encountered only costs about 300 pesos. It's equivalent to around $6. So I will just wash this one up, and I'm gonna dry it. So if you can see, there are lots of dirt that are stuck in there. Clean now. I'm gonna dry it with the dryer.
A little later. A few minutes later.
If you have learned something from me today, please subscribe and please support our channel, Corolla 9th. This channel is only dedicated to maintaining Corolla 9th generation, so Toyota Corolla models 2001 up to early 2007.